Guys, today we have one FNIRSI machine. Okay, this machine is made in China. The quality is #1. It's perfect for job. SMD microelectronic is very good. Okay, SHS02A. Okay, this machine have a one part C USB on, can with 20 volt support maximum this machine. Okay, this machine have one cup. This cup, when you opening this cup on complete metal. Okay, yeah. I connect with one cable extra with power laptop. Okay, when you connect here, cable C. Okay, this one come up, menu come up. Okay, after menu here you can see this is heat support comes 450 maximum. Okay, you can see here now it's hot, the nozzle 450. Okay, have a 3 memory. When you don't need a working with this machine, okay, you can use okay, come down this heating come down. You can see 400 all in a memory. It's perfect, really perfect working nozzle for SMD machine, for SMD electronic. Okay, on number 2, for SMD all the time you just cleaning this nozzle. Okay, yeah, you can see perfect is hot, 380 temperature. Only for menu have a memory here. Okay, to 20 volt can support 20 volt with ampere. Okay, this machine very good, very nice, like cutter. Yeah, only just with flicks cleaner, and you can good job with this machine. Have a good time. Bye.